Manipur THOKLIBA IRANG ASINA SHOKHALLABA SINGIDAMAK CENTRAL LEINGAK Rehabilitation की पैकेज में Pibinaba Manipur की राज्य सभा के मेंबर महाराज Sanajaoba Leishemba Parliament MEEPHAM Thamkhre ngarang sathakhiba Parliament ki MEEPHAMda Maharaj Sanajaoba Leishemba House ki pungning chingchiladuna hai Manipur THOKLIBA IRANG asi hauzik yamna nemtharakle ikui kuidana tangdu leitaba gi lambi ama laktuna mahausa gi fibamda hanjilakani haibagi thajaba leire Prime Minister Narendra Modi amazong State ki Chief Minister Nongthumam Biren gi lengakna mitning sanba amaga loinana lamdam asda tangdu leitaba hanjilhanana bathorang sing paikhaliba asi gi damak thagatpa phongdokli Union Lengak na so ahin meeting changduna honarabadi street asida tangdu leitaba si khara thuna lakhanduna lanjenari basing amukhana masa masa yumda khunda leita tuna madi ingna chikna lehin mangamgani matam sangna miyam na irang asigi chaithing phangduna lakpada pukning wakhal leita na lehningmagi apamba me pom khudingmakta faunari masi thapak ton thokna na bagi damag Union Lengak na street asida rehabilitation package ma pibiyo matam sangna lamdam asida miyam khunda leita ba yana na bagi thorang su paikhapiyo masina Manipur da tangdu leita ba hanjil handuna Mausagi Pibinaba amukhana purak pangamgani hainasu makna makhatana phongduki.
Sir, it is now evident that the simmering tension in the state is gradually subsiding. Normalcy is inching slowly and there is hope for a peaceful solution in near future. For this, I am grateful to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji, Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Biren Singh and his government for their steadfast, far-sightedness, expertise and untiring efforts in bringing a near peaceful solution in the state. However, if the Union government puts a little more efforts and with timely push, the peace process and resettlement could be quicker. People have suffered enough and they need a respite now. So, I demand the Union government for a suitable rehabilitation package, a long-term solution for peaceful coexistence and other necessary arrangements which deem fit to restore the peaceful and glorious past of Manipur.